Hi guys, we received this 5-tier bookshelf for reviewing purposes. I think it's gonna be really nice. It comes with the instructions, all the pieces that you need to assemble it, install it, and well, let's go ahead and start assembling it. So let's see how it looks, and well, let's go. Okay guys, as you can see it's already installed and placed. I already placed all my stuff in it and I think it looks really nice. It's really easy to assemble as you can see, and it's very spacious. You have 5 different levels, okay? You can see these are out and you have another level in here so you can storage many things that you like, okay? I think it's really nice. It looks beautiful. The combination of matted metal and the wood, I think it gives a nice touch, and it's perfect to decorate your, I don't know, living room where you're gonna place it. I think it will do an amazing work. And overall, it's really nice, and I would recommend it. See you guys.